Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burgers with ground beef, step by step. First, select ground beef with an 80/20 lean to fat ratio. This ensures a juicy burger. Gently form your patties, aiming for about 3/4 of an inch thick and 4 inches wide. Remember to make a small indentation in the center of each patty. This simple trick helps prevent the burgers from bulging in the middle while cooking, ensuring an even shape. Now it's time to season and cook your burgers. Generously season both sides of your patties with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, preheat your grill or a cast iron skillet to a medium-high heat, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the patties on the hot surface and cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. This timing will give you a delicious medium rare to medium doneness. If you're making cheeseburgers, add a slice of your favorite cheese during the last minute of cooking. Covering the grill or pan for a moment will help the cheese melt beautifully over the patty. Once cooked, it's crucial to let your burgers rest. Transfer them to a plate and allow them to sit for about 5 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more flavorful and moist burger. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast your burger buns for a delightful crunch and added flavor. Then, layer your perfectly cooked patty with fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and thinly sliced onion. Don't forget to add your favorite condiments, whether it's classic ketchup, tangy mustard, or a special sauce. Now, take a bite and savor your homemade, delicious ground beef burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.